classes, we discussed about the taxonomy of hierarchy. But today, we are discussing the taxonomy of animal kingdom, that is the exact classification. Okay? We are going to study about kingdom Animalia. Okay, what is the speciality of this kingdom? That is, include all animals. In this kingdom, all animals are included. Okay, so that is the speciality of the kingdom Animalia. Got it? Next, we are going to study about phylum Chordata. Do you know what is the specialty of phylum Chordata? That is, it includes vertebrates only. Okay, vertebrates means the organism which contain or animals which contain vertebral column. Okay, so this is a speciality of phylum Chordata. Okay, have you heard about mammals? We all know that mammals are milk producing for the offspring, for the young ones. Okay. And also they are delivering the baby. Okay. This is all about mammals. So next we are going to study about the class Mammalia. Okay. Class Mammalia. It includes the vertebrates that feed their young ones with milk. You can go through the examples. So these are the examples, that is lion, rabbit, tiger, bear. These are vertebrates and also mammals which are producing the milk for the young ones. Got it? Have you heard about carnivora, that is carnivores? We all know that in Malayalam, the teachers will tell animals like that. That is same. That is carnivora means flesh-eating animals. We can go through the examples. Okay. First, we can go through what is carnivora. Order carnivora. It includes mammals that have teeth to tear off flesh. They are called carnivores. Okay, you can go through the examples. So here is the example for carnivora, lion. They are using their teeth for tearing off the flesh. Also you can see the tiger, same as here. Okay, so these are the examples of the order carnivora. Okay.
With a lean muscular body, acute senses, highly evolved teeth and claws, cats are model hunters. Their reflexes are lightning fast and they can camouflage masterfully. You can't help but marvel at the power and grace of big cats. They're fierce yet beautiful and perhaps the most captivating animal in the world, capable of inspiring both awe and terror. Some species have existed on Earth between 2 and 4 million years, and they've evolved to fit the title of a perfect hunter.
You have seen through that video what is that contain. That is, you have seen the cat as well as the tiger, lion, etc. So what is the difference between these? In the case of cat, when the cat becomes big, it will look like tiger, right? So there is no that much sound, that is roaring sound. So they belong to the categories, that is family Felidae and genus Felis. Do you know what is the difference between these two? We can check it. Okay? Family Felidae. Family Felidae includes those with withdrawable claws along with the features of the order Carnivora. Genus Felis. Genus Felis shows Features of the family Felidae: small-sized body, no roaring sound. Got it? And the last one is species domesticus. Along with the features of the genus Felis, it have this certain speciality, that is domestic cat, domestic species, that is domestic features. Okay, so we can go through in detail about species domesticus. Okay, species domesticus. Species domesticus, along with the features of the genus Felis, shows unique features of the domestic cat. So here is the homework questions. First question: what is the difference between class Mammalia and order Carnivora? Second question: what is the difference between family Felidae and genus Felis? And the last question: who proposed Animal Kingdom? You have to find out who proposed it. Okay? So this is all about today's class. Hope you get a clear idea about it. Thank you and have a nice day.